I vote solar because the sun is what started life on the earth, and it can sustain our planet for years to come.
I vote solar because I want to leave the world better than I found it.
I vote solar because it's fundamentally the right thing to do for our planet.
I vote solar because it makes perfect economic and environmental sense.
So what has contributed to the growth of solar? Well, the growth of solar within the entire world is about the next generation of people looking for ways of developing sustainable, renewable resources and pulling away from carbon as their baseline. It's about cleaning up the planet and driving a better future for the world.
I love working in the solar industry because I really feel that we have a purpose, that we're not just here to make money and that we're actually doing something beneficial to both our community and our future generations of Americans.
Now to some encouraging news in Riviera Beach, where a company today announced it's expanding and will be adding jobs. News Channel 5's Tanya Rogers live in the newsroom with what they plan to do. Tanya.
Well, Jay, they actually manufacture solar panels, as you can see here in their warehouse. This is in Riviera Beach, and they say as more people are interested in using solar energy, more workers are needed.
We're reducing our carbon footprint on the planet and allowing people to gather energy from sunlight that normally hits their house, that can power their house.
What that results in is jobs like the ones you're seeing today. So over the last 5 years, if we look back, Florida's added more than 5,000 solar jobs.
An economic boost for the warehouse in Riviera Beach.